Okay, so for today, ang atong buhaton is to download and install IntelliJ. So, ang akong preferred IDE tool as of now, all throughout my experience in IntelliJ. So, IDE means Integrated Development Environment. So, basically, ang IDE ang tool na ginagamit nato to create a program. Most especially sa kaning IDE na IntelliJ, most especially ga-work siya sa Go, Kotlin, and Java programming. And anyway, daghan pod IDE na available karon sa market. Isa ra ito ang VS Code, which mainly works on front-end development. And yeah, maybe I can create a video for front-end development as well on the future. But for now, we'll just focus on Java. So let's just proceed on downloading IntelliJ. So we can just click the download. Then for now, we'll just use the community since it's open source and also it is free. And just click this one. Yeah, so for me, I'm having uh, IDM as of now. So mauning gagawas. Pero sa inyo, it will just prompt download directly sa inyong uh, browser. So in case you're using uh, Google Chrome, mag-prompt lang na siya diri. So you just start the download, then open. So this will just take time to download and install. So let me just check if it's already downloading. I think it's now installing. Okay. No, not this one. Okay, so mag-prompt na siya og user control. You just click yes, then next. Then, yeah, just select this one. TJ, Community Edition. Next. So, as of now, nana ko yung IntelliJ running on my machine. So, and I don't want to delete it. So, I'll just cancel this one. Then, next. Then, just check this one for desktop shortcut. Next. Then, install. So for me, I'll just yeah, maybe I'll just go with this and just wait. This will just take time. So I will cut the video for now. Just wait. So pag humana tong atong pag-installation sa Community Edition, so sa ako nag-check na ako tong uh, create a shortcut sa akong desktop. So I will just double click this one. Then it will load. Then sa atong project, we can just create new one. You can say Java demo. Then ang location, I think delete na ako ni. So we'll just create a new folder sa atong location. Uh, New folder under C. So you can say Java projects. Okay, so we select Java projects. Then sa atong for create Git repository, let's just leave it as it is for now. I'll just create another video regarding Git. So this is fine, this is fine. Then sa atong GDK, we need to navigate sa atong GDK folder, which is under program files, Java, GDK. So this is GDK 11. Mo na atong uh, install on the previous video. Press OK. So nag-mark na siya 2 since I already done this before. So once this all set up, we can just create, then it will load. Okay, I'll just maximize. You can just don't show these tips for now and close. So for creating a fresh Java project, since nag-select na to na may demo or my sample code, so it will create the main class. So this is the main class. So this is our entry point or starting point sa atong Java program. And sa main class, it should have this main method. So this is class, this is method. So sa main method mo ning entry point diri gisulod tanan atong tanan ni pangbutang na mga classes, programs or anything na gusto niyo mag-run sa atong application. For this one, since this is the default from IntelliJ, we can just uh, default one, default programs or default implementation of the main class. So, we can just run this to test kung tama ba. So, pag sa IntelliJ, napadali na siya sa kung sa atong pag-develop sa atong Java program. Nalang diri ang atong mga play button, the same. If we click this one, then as expected, mag-print out ni siya sa atong hello world. Okay? So, mao lang siya karon. So, be familiarized using this IDE. Anyway, na documentation on how to use it o daghan pug video sa YouTube on how to use properly ang IntelliJ. So for comment and suggestions regarding the na tutorial, you can just drop in the comment section. I'll be happy to read that. And yeah, thank you. Thank you.